Come on. Come on, do it. Do it. Just fucking do it. God damn it. God damn it, do it. Fucking turn. Stupid God! You bitch! Whore! Why won't you turn? Why won't you go up one fucking mile? You're the most belligerent bitch I have ever met in my fucking life! You nasty bloody gun! You're just like a fucking slimy frog on a
Alright, well.
There it is.
Okay. There's a lot of anticipation for nothing.
We waited a long time for that.
That's a lot of work. Never see this again.
Guess I need an oil change.